dopamine, which I called the motivator. Dopamine is very linked, as I mentioned, to serotonin. When there's high levels of dopamine or low levels of dopamine, that affects the levels of serotonin and vice versa. Dopamine is produced in the hypothalamus. Low levels of dopamine are linked to reduced motivation, reduced arousal, fatigue, obesity, and addiction, specifically, especially addiction to alcohol and various other depressant type of substances. Um, Caffeine, actually, many studies show that caffeine actually increases the level of dopamine. But once again, just like we mentioned in some of the other slides, when you induce a chemical reaction through using an external factor, even something like caffeine, then very often it can produce a sort of dependency, and there's some studies that actually show that caffeine can actually contribute to fatigue. Um, Now we're going on to the next slide, which